Hi, hello. Welcome to ninth Standard English Medium Social Science classes. In this session, we are going to be get the information about Islam religion. Beginning of Islam. Islam originated in Arabia. Arabia is a peninsula of West Asia. Arabia basically a desert land. It is not suitable for agriculture. The Arabs migrated to fertile lands because of Arabia basically it is a desert land, moreoverly it is not suitable for agriculture. So that Arabs they migrated to fertile lands. And the people of Arabia they settled in places where water was available. So such kind of places are Mecca and Medina. So the places are Mecca and Medina. In the beginning, Arabs worshipped many objects of nature. They worshipped stones, trees, streams as gods. In Mecca, the stone of Kaaba and other 360 idols were worshipped by them. This was considered to be one of the most important religious places. As you know that the founder of Islam religion, Muhammad Paigambar, he was born in Mecca 570 CE and his father Abdullah and mother Amina. He lost his parents during his childhood and he was brought up by his uncle named called as Ali. In the beginning days he was shepherd, but his uncle was a cloth merchant. After few days he started giving the company to his uncle Ali. They started the cloth merchant as a cloth merchant. So for the purpose of, as he was a cloth merchant, he is traveling for other places for the purpose of the business. There he was met a lady named called as Khadija. Khadija, she was a widow, so that he was started working under her. Then after Khadija and Muhammad Paigambar both got married. Then they have 2 sons and 4 daughters. As the purpose of, he was traveled to different places for the purpose of textile business. He was impressed by the simplicity and monotheism of Christianity and Jewish religions. He thought that this was better than the polytheism of Arabs. He started meditating deeply for long hours on Mount Hira to find remedies for the social and cultural shortcomings of Arab people. After Paigambar achieved enlightenment, he was called as the messenger of the God by the people. Soon his principles became very popular among people and many became his disciples. When he was in deep meditation, he used to share his messages with his disciples. They were considered as the messages of the God by his followers. Such collections of messages were compiled and published later. This is known as the Holy Book of Quran. Later, Muhammad Paigambar started preaching his principles in Mecca. When Muhammad Paigambar started preaching his teachings, but it was opposed the polytheism strongly by the people of Mecca, and they are enraged. They started conspiring to murder Muhammad Paigambar. When the life of Muhammad Paigambar was in danger, he travelled from Mecca to Medina. This was the incident took place in 622 CE. This incident is known as Hijra, that means the departure, and Muslims reckon this as Hijri Yara or Islamic lunar calendar is based on Hijra. When he was reached to Medina, the people of Medina, they welcomed, not only welcomed, even they accepted the principles of Muhammad Paigambar. They become the followers of Paigambar. After 8 years, there was a war between Mecca and Medina, and the people of Medina defeated the people of Mecca, and Paigambar come back to Mecca. So this time the people of Mecca, they accepted the teachings of Muhammad Paigambar and they become the followers of Paigambar. So finally they become the followers of the religion which was taught by Muhammad Paigambar, and his principles spread all over the Arab region. At last Muhammad Paigambar died in 632 CE. So this is about the life story of Muhammad Paigambar. So let's come to the concept of Islam and Muslim. Islam means submission of oneself before the God. Muslim means the follower of God. Then what are the teachings of Islam religion? Number 1, God is one. A simple prayer is enough to win the heart of God. One should lead an honest and principled life and should keep away from all the bad habits. One should have respect for women and compassion for the poor and weak. So these are the teachings of Islam religion. As a Islam, who is a Muslim must and should follows 5 important rituals. Among that, Kalima, belief only in Allah. Muhammad is his prophet. Namaz, prayer for Allah for 5 times a day. Roza, fasting in the month of Ramzan. Zakat, definite sum to be spared in the income to give to the poor. And the fifth one, Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca once in lifetime. So these are the 5 important rituals must and should has to be followed by Muslim. Then after expansion of Islam, after the death of Muhammad Paigambar, the caliphs who took over the responsibility of promoting Islam. Caliphs are known as the successors of Paigambar. With the sincere efforts of caliphs, Islam spread from Spain to India with a century. Then what are the reasons are there such a fast and growth of Islam religion? Number 1, simplicity of Islam, efforts of caliphs to spread Islam, devotion of Muslims, religious interests of Sultan, conducive political situation. So these are the reasons for such a fast growth of Islam. Even some of the contributions of Islam. So what are the contributions of Islam? Medicine for measles and other diseases and books on medicine. New inventions in science and mathematics. The spread of knowledge built by medieval Arab and Persia in the field of geography and astronomy to the other parts of the world. And the fourth one, Islam influenced the art and architecture, the features of Islamic architecture. Even we can see in the buildings built in Roman, Byzantine and Persian empires. So these are the major contributions of Islam religion. So divisions of Islam, majorly Shia and Sunni. Even we can see other religions are also have the divisions or sects in their religions. Even Islam, it has religious sects. They are called as Shia and Sunni. Now the successors of Muhammad Paigambar are known as caliphs. Among that, Abu Bakr was the first caliph. They become the political as well as religious successors of Muhammad Paigambar. Majorly, they took the responsibility of spreading Islam religion. Okay, so these are the information about Islam religion. Thank you, and see you in the next session with new topic. Thank you.